Once upon a time, there was a famous unsolved mystery case that shocked the entire nation. The story of the lady from the lake is etched in the annals of history as a haunting tale, yet the identity of the victim remains a complete enigma. In the depths of the shadows, a woman in a white dress can still be seen swimming. She is said to haunt the banks of the lake at night, riding her white horse, seeking justice for her untimely demise. However, the story takes a chilling turn when the mansion on the outskirts of town suddenly goes up in flames. No one knows what caused the fire, or who might be lurking in the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The mysterious figure on the boat is said to be a ghost, riding the waves as they try to reach the shore. They demand justice for the lady from the lake, but no one has ever dared to solve the case and bring the culprit to justice. The Lady from the Lake's Unsolved Mystery remains a bittersweet tale of justice, ghosts, and the macabre secrets that lie hidden in the shadows of the unknown. The story of the Lady from the Lake will forever be a haunting unsolved mystery, leaving everyone who has come across it shaking their heads in disbelief.